Hey guys, it's Shahd and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time stopping by, hello, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so you can join the family. In today's video, I've teamed up with Lord & Taylor to give you guys literally the most me tutorial it gets. It is all about the glow and looking youthful with some really amazing luxury products. If you guys hear an echo in the background and you are not caught up, I just moved into my first LA apartment and there's not much furniture here yet, so that's where the echo is coming from. Please be patient with me and let's just dive in to the makeup. Why do I always do that? Let's go. So to save some time, I already did my brows off camera because I really wanted to focus on the skin in this video, and that is exactly what we're going to do. I'm gonna start off with a serum. This is the Dior Capture Youth Glow Booster. This serum is great for days where you wake up in the morning and your skin feels very dull, very fatigued, you didn't get enough sleep, whatever it is. You can just use a few drops of this and it definitely gives life back to the skin. And I know I'm gonna say it a million times in this video, but it gives you that glow from within. So even if you're not wearing makeup, you can still put this on and it'll give you that awake look. So I'm just gonna put a few drops on my hand. You wanna make sure that you're gently rubbing all of these products into your skin because we don't wanna be counteractive and create premature wrinkles. So you wanna be gentle and you wanna be rubbing upwards just to be good to your skin. So as you guys can tell, this is putting a little bit of dimension back into my skin. It looks healthy and I wish you guys could feel how lightweight this product is. Like I really feel like I don't have anything on my skin right now, and it smells really good too, which I can appreciate. Next, I'm going to moisturize using the Dior Capture Youth Moisturizer. Again, this is something that you want to use regardless on if you're wearing makeup or not, but since we are going to be layering products, we want to make sure that our skin has a smooth, even base, and this moisturizer is great for that. It does, again, give you a glow from within look. Probably gonna say that with all these products. This tutorial should just be called a glow from within makeup tutorial. So again, just rubbing that in, being very gentle to the skin, and be sure to get your under eyes as well. It's really easy for your makeup to look cakey when your skin is dry, so we just want to make sure that we are moisturizing enough. Next is a product that I have not stopped using since I got it. It is the Mercier foundation primer. This is the Radiance one. I noticed the other day when I was taking my makeup off that my skin had this really healthy glow to it, and I had been wearing my makeup for like hours, like all day. And I think it was because of this, because this was the only new product that I was using, and I'm like, okay, I really like this. It's water-based, it's really lightweight, and it gives the perfect canvas for the rest of your makeup. When I first saw the product, I was scared that it was gonna be ashy because let me show you. When you first take it out, it is quite light, but as you blend it out, it just gives you this stunning glow. So again, this is one of those products that you can wear even if you don't want to wear makeup on top of it. It just gives you a nice healthy glow. I don't even want to wear makeup on top of this anymore, but I'm gonna. Moving on to foundation, since my skin is a little bit more on the oily side as we get closer to the summer. I just moved to LA, so it's warmer weather. I want to look dewy and glowy, but I don't want to look oily, so I've been loving the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. I am in the shade 6 Golden. Obsessed with this foundation, and this will just kind of let me look glowy, but it's also a matte foundation, so it'll keep the oils from shining through. If your skin is on the drier side, which mine is in the winter time, I love the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. It gives you such a beautiful glow. But today I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown foundation and mixing it in with their Illuminating Moisture Balm in Bare Glow because I still do want that dewy effect without having my skin look oily. So I want something that's going to control the oils and also add in a little bit of glow. So I'm taking about a pump and a half of the moisturizer and then 2 pumps of the foundation, and this will actually kind of sheer it out a little bit so it's more of a tinted moisturizer. And I'm going to be using an Artiste brush to just blend that into the skin. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but this literally just looks like my skin but better, so you could totally leave it here. I'm gonna be extra and add another layer because I want a little bit fuller coverage. Next, I'm going to conceal with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. It says that it is camouflage, 24-hour wear. It's very lightweight, and I am in the shade medium 20. So I just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender to just go ahead and pop that under the eyes, a little bit down the nose, a little bit on my forehead. If you want it to be a little fuller coverage, you can just let it sit under the eyes for a second and then blend it out. I actually like this concealer a lot more than I thought I was going to because I usually like concealers that look heavy duty. Like they're very thick in formula. So since this was very lightweight, I was kind of nervous, but it does still give you a very full coverage, which I love, and this actually might be better for me for the summertime instead of using thicker products that could kick up easier. And I'm really gonna take my time blending this out since I do want to keep the radiance, so I'm not gonna set it. I really want it to stay put. I need it to stay put. Next, I'm going to take this Winky Luxe Strobing Balm in the shade Radiant Pink. And I'm just going to use my fingers. It just gives such a natural radiance to the skin. And when I really want to go for a glowy look, I will use a cream-based highlighter and then go over it with a powder, just to give me the most intense glow, but it'll also keep me from looking oily. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. I know we have mixed opinions about nose highlight, but I will forever be a nose highlight gal. Next, I'm gonna use an oldie but a goodie, the NARS Blush in Orgasm. Such a beautiful color. It has a little bit of shimmer, but it's not too much. And in my opinion, the easiest way to give yourself a youthful look is to use blush to make it look like you've been in the sun all day. But also something that I've noticed is a really big spring trend right now is contouring with your blush. So I'm kind of putting it all over. Not being perfect or anything, but just giving myself kind of a sheer layer kind of everywhere. I'm gonna go in with a crease brush and pop a little bit on my lids. Again, a sheer wash everywhere. And before I forget, I'm gonna just wipe whatever makeup is on my mole off my mole. You guys know I gotta do that. Back to highlight, like I said, I love to layer. I'm gonna be using the Bobbi Brown highlight in Bronze Glow, and the name is so fitting because this product just melts into your skin and gives you a really pretty bronze glow. I literally just look like I drink a lot of water. Going back to the eyes, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in the shade Sugar Frost. And these are very effortless. It just gives you a really pretty wash of color very quickly. So I literally just take it in the inner corner, slowly move out a little bit, and then just blend it with my fingers. Make sure you hit your inner tear duct too, because that's where it looks the prettiest. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the YSL Vinyl Couture in the shade I'm the Unpredictable. This mascara is actually a dark purple, which just adds a little bit of fun. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but it's one of those things where someone has to actually look very close and see that it's purple mascara. See, you can barely tell that it's a purple mascara, but it's a little fun. And I got a little bit on my cheek, but we're gonna pretend that it's supposed to be there. Lastly, for the lips, I do wanna keep it on the sheer side. So I'm gonna use the Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm in the shade 6 Berry. These are insanely moisturizing, which I love because I have extremely dry lips. They give the prettiest just wash of color. They come in a few shades. So that is it for this glowy spring tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section below. All the products that I use in this video will be listed down below as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.